My name is Saifur Rahman and I'm working in Saudi Aramco as technical advisor. Mainly I am from utilities department of Saudi Aramco. We are responsible for HVAC and building maintenance or facility maintenance, you can say directly. Yeah.
And what is the main reason you came here to visit?
We are participating in few presentations. It's all about energy because in Saudi Aramco we take energy as opportunity.
Okay.
So wherever we have any potential to save energy, we saved it, and also we share with the team around.
And you already witnessed one presentation?
We have witnessed a couple of presentations. Yeah, the one which was started with the construction phases. Yes, we have witnessed. It was pretty. Yeah.
What's your opinion about it?
It is good because the lady has discussed about multiple phases in engineering, procurement, and construction.
Yeah.
And points were very useful, especially engaging the team at the early stages. Okay, it was really healthy to know about those stages.
Okay, perfect. And was everything clear for you? Was the room okay for you?
Everything is working fine.
Was it easy to come here to the hotel as well?
Yes. The hotel location is fine. Especially it's near the tram, so
Yeah.
it's really accessible from all the angles.
You're staying at the hotel?
Yeah, we are staying in the hotel, same hotel.
So far so good, right?
So far so good, yes.
Okay, well I hope you have an excellent day. And did you already meet some interesting people, or maybe it's just
Yes, I'm right now at this moment I'm engaging with so many people because the main purpose of this conference is to engage people.
Yes.
And then go to the presentations and hear about the audience and the speakers to get some knowledge. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.